All right, we're at it again. Went to my box of electrical parts. Screw on the cap. Could have just used the twisted the wires together and put PVC tape on if you were in a hurry or emergency. I used this a while ago. I don't know if it's still flowing. We'll find out. We'll find out if the flow is with me. Well, it sounded like it farted. Okay. It could be overkill. All right, I know there's no moisture going to get in there and cause any sort of corrosion. But going along with the overkill, that's prettier. What are you whining for, huh? Are you stuck in your chain? Your lost leader? I gotta unhook the crybaby. He's caught. He's caught on a bolt for my garage floor. Get off there. Wind yourself around the pole, homie. Don't wind yourself around the pole. Or the stick or the bolt. All right. The dog is free. Get on the chain. Oh, I gotta put the bulbs in the, insulate the bulbs. You people that never changed light bulbs in cars before. There's one fat one and two skinny ones. You line that up and see the way these little arrows point. Come on, dog, you're messing my video up here. Come on. Crying out loud, dog. Get out of my video. Get. Dog be gone. Dog gone. Line the holes up. Give it wiggle diggle. You gotta kind of go straight down too, almost. That's probably how the wire got broke. Oh, where am I at here? wider one. Wider, wider, shorter. Mother goose. Get the big one in first. Oh, that's the big one. Maybe there's a left and a right one. Where's the one I took out of here? Oh, I probably threw it in the garbage already. Yeah, that should be it. There. No. I gotta go check the other bulb. Crying out loud.